guys, today I'm gonna cook or make dynamite, cheese dynamite, okay? So these are all the ingredients. We need chilies, cheese, and then the wrapper, water. Okay, to start, we're gonna do like this, guys. Okay, so my husband said there's no need of getting the seeds because he want spicy. Okay, so we're gonna put the cheese here like this, and then we're gonna wrap it like that. Okay, guys, and then like this, and then water to seal the. Okay, guys, so that's it, huh? First, okay, next, this one. If you don't want spicy, guys, you gonna get the seeds, but my husband said he wants spicy, so he don't want the seeds. I'm gonna take it off. Okay, so he wants the seeds, it's still here. Okay, so I put the cheese already, and now we're gonna wrap it like that. Okay, guys, so this is it, our cheese dynamite. And the next number 3. Okay, guys, look at the cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. Okay. And then wrap it here. And then water. Okay, guys, so that's it, huh? Okay, and next. Okay, I already tried to slash this one already, so I'm gonna put the cheese, and then the wrapper. Done. Oh, this is it. So I'm gonna fry this. Okay, as of now, that's the first batch. Okay, guys, that's the first batch, guys. Okay, our dynamite, cheese dynamite. So this is the last batch. So we're gonna put it here. Put it here. And then here also. Okay. Okay, guys, look at our dynamite. So I'm going to taste the dynamite. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm gonna taste this one. Okay. It's very crunchy. But guys, it's very yummy, crunchy. But I cannot one of the spiciness because there's a lot of seeds here. But as of now, it's still okay. And let's finish this one, guys, because I cannot take the spiciness. My husband loves this one, okay? But it's very yummy. It's a little spicy now. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, Please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe with my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page, personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. It's yummy! The dynamite, cheese dynamite, guys!